women have been playing a major role in conservation, and the first one is they've been participating a lot in a mapping process. They've been mapping areas that have direct impact to their livelihood, like the bamboo areas and medicinal site areas, spring protection areas, and we also have the areas where they collect firewood. So they've been mapping those areas, and they just monitor how the biodiversity is regenerating in those areas. And then also women have been doing a sustainable activities of harvesting those what I've just mentioned, that's the bamboo zones, the medicinal sites, there is spring protection, and then there is areas that they collect firewood. For example, they collect the dead wood to be firewood. They will never make a live tree, like fell a live tree to collect firewood. So women have been participating in that way to promote conservation. Yeah.